Yes, brother. Penaltıman. ceremony commemorating the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival with active participants from the chief host, co-host, and various dignitaries, along with young and old of the 13 villages under the banner of SAPO, which has come to an end gracefully. Indeed, this magnificent stone stands as a strength, unity, prosperity of our people. And now I would like to give time to our guest of honor, Sri Imna Tebjan Along.
A great thank you to the Sayo. Your strength and your resilience shows while pulling all the way from Jakhama till the Naga Heritage Village at Kisama here. I'm sure people who have watched have seen it. There were a number of times the roots or the rope with which it was being pulled along had broken a number of times. But yet, it was tied again, strengthened again, and again, and again, and again, and finally reached its destination. This is the story of the Naga people of Nagaland. There is no thread that can be broken. There is no disunity. There is absolute unity in the strength of the people of Nagaland, shown by the Angami Naga people, a proud tribe among the 17 Naga tribes. And this ceremony epitomes the very vision and the goal of the people of Nagaland. This huge stone, mighty stone, pure stone we call, when it's pulled, it's heavy, but yet it shows the resilience and the perseverance to live in prosperity, to live in unity, and the magnanimity of living with our traditions and our culture. The Department of Tourism and I, on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, the Chief Host, the co-host, who was Mr. Kaito Aye, the Honorable Minister, and the government of the day, would like to thank all of you who have participated and watched and walked with this mighty and great stone depicting the Nagas' unity and resilience. Above everything, we thank God that without any problems, this could come thus far. This 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival is a historic moment, and this huge stone, pure stone, that has come till Kisama will take it further as a blessing for all the people who come to visit us in Nagaland at Kisama. Kindly carry with you the blessings of our unity, the blessings of the people of Nagaland's peace, and our resilience to have a good future of prosperity, not only for us, for the people of Nagas in Nagaland, but also for the rest of the country and for the rest of the world. This mighty stone has been pulled today in commemoration of this historic 25th anniversary of the Hornbill Festival. So thank you once more to once and all, and I'm grateful that I could also be part of it. Even though I couldn't walk so many kilometers, I could come by vehicle in a shortcut manner and be part of it. So thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational speech. Now we have our valedictory addresses, which will be pronounced by our Sri Balakire, Chairman Kiguma Village, Kohima, and then followed by a benediction prayer by the head of that's CRC Pesama.
The Sojak Rahula, Nova Tazir Kala Hotaway. Que Naki, Bojovi, Habero, Capirola, the Tazir Bagum Nova Pijaway. Tiava, Hata Soyaha, Ugo, Haka Japo, Haka Vipo, Haka Meshupo, Paropi, Uso, Korea, Ugo Melene. Haka Zivia do Paropiwe, Hato Kazahu, Zivia Ole, Horse, Rim Taja, Ogo, Imna, Host, Mo, Ozio, the Mazanet Servaro, Ramto, Odi, To, Go, Hakam Hane, Ugo, Ugum Nova Saule, or the Jasine, Haka Yatel away, Hakavitel away, Ugo Kamakua, Hete, Bote Jasine, Hakamane, Hakaya, Hakavi, Kazivi, Kameshu, Hakot, Kelasapology, Mo, Ha Ugo Tilade, Dear Hakane. Hazelde, Hasa Pitzava Savudamo, Urmavu Quilo, Tatsuker, Lomitiro, Norlane Tilaho, Urmavu, Oromitiro, Quilitania, Hotel Holland, Mitirum Zaho.
So say I get it, you should get your neighbor Diase, a American minister will give it, you never Diase. I mean, it's like a Pura Partner. Go, the take is